Good morning, students. This is a Shell Public School, and today I am teaching you session 3 talking about class change. That is chapter of functional English, session 3, class 10th. Some relevant knowledge about this session. In this session, you will learn about how to talk about the change and read aloud and try to understand from the example given below. Pause the screen and read it carefully and loud. So, first you can read change for better, second is change for rose, and change with the time. Okay, so what do you think about what is change? Change for a better, that means you can change for a good one or good thing. मतलब आप कुछ सही करना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ अच्छे के लिए करना चाह रहे हैं, to change so as to improve. Okay, example, that means he does not watch junk movies anymore and it is a change for the better. He now enjoys serious cinema. Okay, so unwanted or junk movies he don't want to watch anymore, and somebody wants to change, that is good for change, and that is change for a better. You can change as so as to improve. So next, second one is change for the rose things. Okay, so to change but become rose. क्या होता है कि जैसे हम कुछ चाहते अच्छा है, करना अच्छा चाह रहे हैं, चेंज करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन हो गलत जाता है या गलत के लिए काम हो जाता है. तो एग्जाम्पल से साफ समझ में आ रहा है, शी हैज स्टार्टेड रीडिंग नॉवेल्स. ओके, दैट इज वेरी गुड थिंग. शी हैज स्टार्टिंग रीडिंग नॉवेल्स, बट गलत क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? इट इज अ चेंज फॉर रोज एज शी रीड देम मोर देन हर स्कूल बुक्स. मतलब अपनी स्कूल की किताबों से ज्यादा वो नोवेल को पढ़ती है. ओके, तो दैट इज चेंज फॉर रोज. एंड थर्ड वन इज चेंज विद द टाइम्स, टू एक्सेप्ट एंड एडप्ट अ न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स. आवर स्कूल इज चेंजिंग विद द टाइम्स. वी नाउ हैव कंप्यूटर लैब्स, वी with internet connection, we have a smart board or a projector, a new screen also, we have new faculties, we have new ideas and your vision also. So that is change with the times, accept and adapt the new developments. मतलब पहले कुछ और होगा या था, अब कुछ और है, that is the change with the times. Okay, so for a change, fourth one is for a change, as something different, as something different. Example, that is, why don't you wear a salwar suit for a change? You always wear sari, है ना? So something different. Okay, change, that means not for color, not for pattern in a salwar suit. You can always wear a sari. And times for a change, an expression used when it time to make a change. Example, I asked her if she wanted a cake for her birthday, and she said it's time for a change, let's have a pizza instead. Okay, so that means time for a change. Okay, so sixth one is times for changing, a response made when you are hear a surprising piece of news. Example, that means a man, they charged me 500 rupees for this tie, and woman, well, times are changing, ties do not cost 100 rupees anymore. That means time for a change. वो समय अलग था जब 500 रुपए में मिलती थी, अब नहीं है. Okay, sea change, a major change. What's that? Example, there is a sea change in the choice of careers. There is a sea change in the choice of careers. Many more. Okay. Many youngsters are more interested in MBA nowadays than in medicine or civil or any other. Okay, so that is sea change, a major change in education also. Times change, as time passes, different things become acceptable. Example, the old man scolded his grandson for not cutting his long hair. Okay, He said that when he was young and he had to keep it short and oiled, his grandson said, times change, grandpa. Okay. So here all the change shows active and passive voice. You know very well what is active and passive voice. I am show you active and passive voice. Those are used on those topic. You can see in an active voice subject is there and verb first form is used and last is object. In a example you can see that the hair stylist changed the color of my hair. The hair stylist, that is our subject, my hair style, the hair stylist also, and change the color is a verb first form of my hair, that is my object. Okay, so that is active voice. And passive, that means negative of active voice, that is passive voice. The color of my hair was changed by the hair stylist. Okay, so the color of my hair was changed by the hair stylist, that is the passive voice. You know a formula of active and passive voice, that means a negative of active voice, that is passive voice. In active voice, subject first use, verb first form is used, then object is used. And in a passive voice, object is used, then after verb third form is used, and last subject is used. You can write down on your notebook, subject plus verb first form plus object, that is active voice. Object plus verb third form plus subject, that is passive voice. In an sentences of, by, you can see that is of, by, okay, of, by, and other one that is form, to. Those are connectors to connect object or subject after the verb and verb forms, first and third forms. Okay, so that is active and passive voice. In certain sentences, in the passive voice, the subject may be not be mentioned. Okay, you should do the work. There is no subject. The work should be done. Okay, and we complete the marathon at last. The marathon was completed at last. Okay, that is active and that is passive. And he and she, he or she, sorry, has she finished her homework? Has her homework been completed? Okay, so you can write down on your notebook and exercise you can complete yourself. Try to complete yourself and concern with me what is this. Okay, you can see now, identify the tick the sentence that are in active voice and those are in a passive voice. तो इसमें एक्टिव वॉइस कौन से, पैसिव कौन से, ये आपको चेक करना है. एंड सिलेक्ट इन असेसमेंट नेक्स्ट, सिलेक्ट एंड टिक द ऑप्शन दैट इज इन पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, Ravi had to revise the document. What is the passive voice of Ravi had to revise the document? Choose the one option correct. Okay, pause the screen, write down on in your notebook. Okay, you can write the formula carefully. Subject plus verb first form plus object, that is active, and object plus verb third form plus subject, that is passive. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day all of you.